Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Roblox account on iPhone. Well, once you actually head on to your Safari or Chrome application and then search for Roblox web. You can actually head on and log in using a Roblox or rather using the Safari or Chrome and log in over here using your Roblox account. And head on over to your login now. Once you are logged in to enter this device, it is all the way possible for you to delete your account because it's basically the same layout as if you were going to use a PC version. And it's going to be on settings over on the settings of Roblox over here on the website version, just the same as you would do on PC. Head on to settings, head on to account and head on over to very bottom to delete your account. Now if rather in the event that does not work, you could actually head on and click on help, and that's going to head you to Roblox help center. And what do you actually need to do with your account? We'll click over here on I need help with my account. And what do you want to do? You would actually want to delete your account. So once you head on over here, you can actually head on how to delete my account, which is one of the options over here on the very bottom of the screen. Click on how to delete my account, and it's going to show you an option on how to delete your account over on Roblox. Of course, you can actually head on and cancel your payments or membership, but over here you could actually use or fill in a spot form so that you may basically fill in the information and how to contact Roblox itself and their management and the admins, and basically let them delete your account for you so that you may much rather so that you may have a much more better user experience on deleting your account.